DIY snake key with blank part E tank key cutting machine.
How to use a piece of copper to get key blanks. First, how to get a piece of key blank. Enter Generate Key Type. Select Customized Key Blank. And then enter DIY key blank by measuring. Select Laser Key with shoulder. Click Next Step. First step, please measure the key width. 800. The width is 800. Input 800. The next, please measure the thickness. The thickness is 220. Input 220 on it. The next is to measure the should width. Should width is less than 1000. We can regard this as 1000. And then measure the key width. The width is 2900. Due to convenient search in the future, we can give a name that is easy to remember. Click Save.